What's up guys, Juggalo234551. This will be a part 2 video on how to take apart your GTX 590 because the batteries died on my Kodak ZI6, but batteries are replaced. So let's get back to what we were doing. Alright, basically remove this screw right here, remove all the screws from this back plate, and you're going to remove all 3 screws that are right here. So let me do this one right here real quick. Alright, and now we're going to move on to this back plate. Okay, and now that you have these removed, there's no reason to take these physically off whatsoever, so just leave them on. And then once you are done with that, make sure, as I said before, to take these 2 screws off, or you won't be able to take this whole thing off. So all you have to do is just grab it and then work your magic. Just have to finagle it a little bit, just lift it up, rock it back and forth, and there you have it. And that is how you take apart your GTX 590. Hopefully this video and part 1 will be a lot better visually. And I guess that's it. Comment, subscribe, rate this video. Guys, have a great day.